Situation dire, dead souls on the horizon, but still soldier on, dogs of war, sold to die, cause they come back to war, bombing for peace, that's back to front, Ministry of Defense, are you catching on?
Another Prime Minister, moving sinister. Never gonna listen to what you gonna say about the war in Syria. Countries left with sore interior. We think the refugees have had enough, and we know the death toll's only gonna tally up. I pick the mic and the belly up and start looking for an escape plan like Dillinger. We're gonna break down barriers. Our brothers are migrating in handcuffs. It's horrendous. A chemical attack on a civilian. Young children already militant. Every day we bury the innocent. A vigilante, gotta stay vigilant. Turn a blind eye to your skin pigment. We lead the way, we don't follow religion. Situation dire, dead souls on the horizon, but still soldier on, dogs of war, sold to die, cause they come back to war, bombing for peace, that's back to front, Ministry of Defense, are you catching on? Are you catching on? You best not catching on. We make action with legal attacks, we'll watch it burning on. We won't stop till we bomb them all. Dogs of war. Broken future, the truth is nearer. Prophecy of Akira. I wanna text you all this wretched world. My furious energies never felt clearer. Back with a blunt and a beer. I can't go sober, it's over. The world's grown colder, covered in soldiers. The powers that beat us, turn our soul for hard. We can rap about money and cars, but that'd be another disaster. You just keep distracting the people from the bleakest actions of evil. I'ma come through, it's gonna come through. Bash a foot soldier, got another view. If you're part of the 1%, we will find you. A blood pump action to get some reroll. Situation dire, dead souls on the horizon, but still soldier on, dogs of war, sold to die, cause they come back to war, bombing for peace, that's back to front, Ministry of Defense, are you catching on? Are you catching on? You best not catching on. We make action with legal attacks, we'll watch it burning on. We won't stop till we bomb them all. Dogs of war. There's a war in the Middle East and it's getting deep, cause the MOD all they do is cheat with the money that they launder and fleece, and it's fought with police. Oil and the guns ain't coming in cheap. Borders we breach, documents will leak. How we gonna learn if nobody's gonna teach? Kicking off doors if we ain't got keys. There's a war in the alleyways and in the streets. Some of them are sheep, some of them are gonna speak up, cause I know they wanna sweep this turmoil under the carpet, but I don't wanna hear another top speech. Got love from America, but I just want peace. Blood on my hands only if I bleed. Fuck the whole regime, to God up there asking where's this gonna achieve? Situation dire, dead souls on the horizon, but still soldier on, dogs of war, sold to die, cause they come back to war, bombing for peace, that's back to front, Ministry of Defense, are you catching on? Are you catching on? Situation dire, dead souls on the horizon, but still soldier on, dogs of war, sold to die, cause they come back to war, bombing for peace, that's back to front, Ministry of Defense, are you catching on? Are you catching on? You best not catching on. We make action with legal attacks, we'll watch it burning on. We won't stop till we bomb them all. Dogs of war. Will peace be found or man still shoot ya? Technology rises, used for the greater good or still cause crisis? What's the verdict? We call for God but you think he heard it? And if he did he think mankind was worth it? Did he think we deserved it? Microchips as a human circuit, spread worldwide from beneath the surface. No green left on the earth, cursed, stuck in reverse, only getting worse. We await the grave, won't live long, urban decay. Talking about these days gone by, but we don't question why. I'll spit any enemy. I don't wanna wake up with cables stuck in my gun at the car. Some chip on my neck to inject all the lies they've been telling me. They keep telling us that the nightmare will end, but it never does. We're the rebels and we try to defend our heaven, but then yeah, again they did it us. Blocked us into the machine. Now we're living life in a bad dream. I hate being stuck in the matrix. streets we can't wait to escape and wake up my team. Look what the law has become. Check what the corporate forces have done. We can't run, all the doors have been shut. I'm exhausted and cut. World War IV has begun.
We can just about breathe, but we're not alive. The sickness begins, see it in the road.
Woman from the inside out.
You can shout, you can scream, but in this future world we bleed.
Filling our brains with the enemy's notions. We counteract explosions. I'm a virus sicker than a backdoor Trojan, killing off opponents. We are the cyborg soldiers, cause freedom is the focus. You've been warned, if you are not strong, then you will be left with the vultures.
I watch World War IV approach us.
As we enter another dimension, drones over and scan our bodies to take information. As we fight alongside the resistance, with a lyrical resurrection, everything's been censored. I've been frozen in a section, my eyes are red, I detect tension, like a Skynet invention.
We can just about breathe, but we're not alive. The sickness begins, see it in the road.
Woman from the inside out.
You can shout, you can scream, but in this future world we bleed. We can just about breathe, but we're not alive. The sickness begins, see it in the road.
Woman from the inside out.
You can shout, you can scream, but in this future that's the only guarantee.
Injected virus and the war is forgotten. Earth's on fire but the core's not rotten. Some of us are born survivors. We look the enemy in our sights then drop them. Inject the virus and the war is forgotten. Earth's on fire but the core's not rotten. Some of us are born survivors. Got the enemy locked in our sights, now drop. Got the enemy locked in our sights, now drop. The virus and the war is forgotten. Earth's on fire but the core's not rotten. Some of us are born survivors. Look the enemy in our sights and drop them. Inject the virus and the war is forgotten. Earth's on fire but the core's not rotten.